Keep watching to see the good and the bad. Curl Enhancing Styling Foam from Marc Anthony. Strictly Curl. I don't believe I tried a lot of Marc Anthony's products, but I don't believe I tried a foam out. So we're going to try that out. First I'm going to do my makeup. I usually start with my makeup, but I'm going to do it quick with you just to show you what I got. Because someone had mentioned recently that I think this is the one, I hope it is, and I was like, I don't remember if I had that, and because I wasn't in where my makeup is. I think it was the Maybelline Super Stay Activewear she said she liked. And if that's the case, I like it too. We're gonna use that, and I think she said a different lipstick, but this is Maybelline, I think she said a matte one, so I don't know if this is the same one. We'll try that. But I know I love this. Like, I use this all the time. It's halfway done. And I use this too. So I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna do a quick look, and then we're gonna get into the hair product. So feel free to skip it if you're not into the makeup part. I finally finished. I don't know what took so long. I don't know why I took my time, but it was nice and enjoyable. So on to the hair product, Marc Anthony. This is Strictly Curl's Curl Enhancing Styling Foam with vitamin E and silk protein. Extra hold. It transforms frizzy hair into full, shiny, defined curls. I do like a foam for my hair, foam mousse. Not a fan of gel. Just not. I keep trying it, and I'm just not a fan of it. I always do that. It's just so fun. I can't stop. Oh no, it's too much. Okay, maybe I won't need any more. It's a little sticky. I don't know if it's this or if it's the conditioner or something I used, because I did try. No, but then I put my regular conditioner in. My hair feels like stuck. Never had that. Like dry. I've never ever had my fingers stuck in my hair. It's weird. This, I'm gonna have to do another day on this because I don't know if I have to wash. Sometimes product can build up, but I did a co-wash like a couple days ago. I might have to do a intense shampoo. Shoot. Unless it's this product. Like my hair seems very dry. Do I put more product in the end? Is it gonna dry it out more? I don't. We'll try it out now and we'll see. It does say extra hold, so it could be this product. Extra hold to me means more of a gel. Product is in, but I'm gonna go wash my hands first. So here's the end result. So as I'm drying my hair, I'm thinking this just reminds me so much of a gel because when I was applying it, it just like felt drying and it was sticky, so I had to go wash my hands. I don't like that. That's what a gel would do normally. Okay, so then when I started drying it, you could see the curls were getting defined for sure, but I was like, okay, it's drying like a gel would dry, which is hard and crunchy, and that's exactly what it did. And it took a lot of scrunching out. It took a while, but you know what, not so much. It didn't take like forever, but it definitely took longer than I usually do if I was to use a cream-based. Again, You might not have dry hair like me, and it wouldn't matter. Now, the end result. It looks really good. It looks really good. And the one thing that I can say about using a gel, or like when it's like stiff, is that I can play around with it more and feel confident that it's going to stay in, as opposed to a cream. Like, that's the thing. You just have to weigh out, I don't know, I guess what's more important to you. Do you want more softer hair? My hair's not that dry though either. Well, it feels drier than if I would put a cream in it, but some creams lately, I don't know. My hair is just dry. It is what it is. I'm not going to expect to ever touch my hair and feel like softness, like my daughter's hair. I know I don't have that hair. So my level of dry, it's not that bad. It's really not. And the curls are so defined. They look good. They look really good. And again, I feel confident they'll stay in, but it's more of that like harder curl look that I would get from a gel. Even if I scrunch it out, it doesn't look as soft in my eyes, but I like it. I like it a lot. We'll do an all-day review because that's always the final test. Am I crooked? Because this happens all the time. Okay, so let's catch up. Oh, I have something to show you that I got. Okay, that's what we'll do. We're gonna check out a product that I am in desperate need to open, and I have been waiting for this moment to finally open it because I want to unbox it with you guys. So let's get into this. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you, I don't remember if I talked about this already, but when I went to Florida last month, literally that day that I flew, I was in the shower and I was getting ready. I shaved my legs and I put my leg up to shave it, and my back went out so bad that I couldn't stand up straight, and I had to go to the airport, and it was horrible. Joe was going to get me a wheelchair and I was like, no. But I was literally walking like this. That was me. Every now and then my back does go out, and every now and then my shoulder hurts, lower back, my neck, you name it. I really should do more stretches. I really should. But anyway, this part of the video is sponsored by Bob and Brad. They sent me this EZBack massager to try. I'm very excited because I wanted something like this. It's because I need something. No way. Oh my God. What's this though? Okay. What? No way. Okay. Wow, guys. Honestly, as I said, I think I deal with arthritis. I hope you can hear me. And my shoulder has been bothering me, so this really is, this is helping me so much. I might have it upside down, but right now I don't want to move because it feels perfect. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Okay, so to go the other way. It goes the other way, and then hold it down and it will power off or on. I had to stop that because I was literally falling asleep, like no joke. Oh my God, wait. There's heat on this too. I didn't even realize it because I haven't used it as long. There's heat on it. That's why it was turning red. Okay, so this is also heated. I could feel that. Oh my God. So honestly, what I do love about this, and I'm sorry if I sound like a commercial, but seriously, I do have back issues, and this is freaking awesome because it contours to your body, whether it be your lower back, whether it be your shoulders. I'm telling you, we're gonna be fighting over this in the house. One button, that's all you have to do, so it's easy. There's not all these different buttons and speeds, and one button changes direction. Maybe it puts the heat on. I have to play with it more, but it's lightweight too. You could bring it with you. I mean, it's definitely not like really lightweight, but it's not heavy if you want to travel with it. But this is going to alleviate a lot of my pain, a lot. And guys, because it's heated also, or should I say girls, if you have menstrual cramps, put the heat and put it right on your, right here. That's another thing that it shows you could use it for. So I actually don't have to worry about that at the moment because it's been maybe 4 months. Is it 5 months? Probably 4 months since my last period. We'll see how long. We'll see if I can get to that 12-month mark. Anyway, I just realized Christmas is coming, and honestly, I don't think anybody watches me that knows me that well. Well, some of you do, but maybe you'll get this for Christmas. Who knows? Who knows? I am definitely going to leave it in my link below. It does come in different colors if I remember, but I got this because I feel like it kind of goes with my bedroom. All right, I'm going to go so I can go play with this, but don't forget we're doing a hair video here, guys, and my curls are still in even after falling asleep there for a second. Again, I feel confident I could play with it. This is what I forgot to tell you. My whole thing with gel that I hate is whenever I would fix my hair, I would have all these flyaway specks everywhere. So I will say don't have that with this styling foam, which is a good thing. Okay, but we'll still do a final check-in. I hope I don't forget. You know what? I'm gonna put a camera in my bathroom so I don't forget before I go to bed. Wash up. All right, I'll see you then. We'll do a final check-in. Ah, how's that feel? You like
nice.
it?
Yeah.
Feels good, right?
It's perfect. It feels like.
Doesn't it feel like someone's actual like fists? Does it feel? It's supposed to have heat. I haven't done it long enough to see.
Well, something's warming up. Maybe it's just the blood.
Oh, you do feel it, right?
Unless it's just the.
No,
friction.
it's supposed to be heated too. Awesome.
You see it?
You want to go next?
Look at it over here on my ear.
Sorry to disturb your sleep. Did I disturb your nap? So sorry. Oh, what? Another one? That's pretty cool, actually. But you adjusted, right? Because you could put it down here more if you
Should I
want.
be laying flat?
You could, no. Like, if you want to.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Oh, yeah, that's good. That's even better.
Right. That's what I'm saying. You have to adjust. How's my hair look, everyone?
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Really?
Look pretty.
It looks good, right? It's a little. It was.
Are you working tomorrow?
I never use this camera to vlog with.
I can't believe you guys didn't get moms and pumpkins today. Why bother now, right? It's another week. It's Christmas, Halloween.
It is a little on the dry end, but it's okay. It doesn't look too bad. Like, the style is there. I like, if my hair can make a nice style, then I like it. I don't know if that makes sense, but for me it does. So, you don't want to get pumpkins now? Hi, Wilma. You can't get groomed yet because he's getting his shot Friday, actually.
Fridays?
Yeah,
Tomorrow? This week?
this week.
You got
She's all
dog
nice and
insurance?
groomed. I'll take that away from you right now. All right. On that note, I'm gonna go. Doing a final check-in. It's late. It's pretty frizzy. The curls kind of lost definition. It is what it is. It's okay. I don't think it looked bad though. Like, the style is still there. It's not that bad. I gotta go to bed. It's so late. Everybody's asleep, so I'm being quiet. So it looks good. I don't know. If you like gels, maybe you'll like it more. All right. It looks good on camera for some reason. Doesn't look good in person. Why is that? That doesn't make sense. Okay, till next time, guys. I will see you in the next video.